Hey guys, I'm back with another Coach unboxing. It's another bag, another backpack. Let's get this open. It's I was looking at backpacks and they got some new Hudson backpacks in, and I was torn. I wanted, I believe it was called the color block. It was like a tan color with red pockets on the side. And I couldn't decide if I wanted. I didn't pull the trigger. And then this out of nowhere just came out of the blue online. It just popped up as a suggested. It's also a Hudson backpack, but I haven't seen this one. I think this might be an older one, and then they just restocked because they didn't really advertise. It just popped out of nowhere, or it might be new. I'm not sure, but let's see. It is. Oh, this is really nice. I really like this. It's a blue Hudson backpack. The actual Hudson pack, something. Cobalt. Yeah, it is actually like a Cobalt. This is actually really nice. I just ordered it. I wasn't sure if I was like, I'll order it. I can always return it, but I'm keeping this. I really like it. I always do that. I always order something like, I'll return it if I don't like it. I always keep it. So this is the one I've been carrying around lately. I forgot the name of it. But I did a review. It's up there. So I'm actually going on a trip on Friday, so I'm probably gonna get into this bad boy. So let's just take all this stuff off. Alrighty, so here it is. This is the Hudson. It says here Cobalt blue. Online, I believe it said like mint black something or sky blue or something. Hudson pack, nat leather. It says QB Cobalt. Let's look at the inside. Alrighty guys, there you go. It's the Hudson backpack in Cobalt blue.